this episode, what we're doing is we are reviewing the Ryobi impact drill. It's an impact gun, right? As it's going, it's tapping the screw in. And that's what we're doing because this is also a video about organization, and as you can see, we need to build some shelves. So we're going to be using the Ryobi impact driver to build some shelves in the garage. Stay tuned, let's check it out, let's get started because we've already been going. When we're screwing into the drywall, you want to use a stud finder, okay? You simply, you take it, you drag it across, you make your little dot. You do the same thing from that side, you make your little dot. And that's where these run, okay? This is your stud. And behind this drywall, you have studs, okay? And you want to screw into there. That's why you use the stud finder. Oh! It just found a stud! So far, that felt pretty good in my hand. This Ryobi impact driver is also not that heavy. I do like the light. Like I said in my previous videos, Ryobi is actually very good for just home construction. You're not out on a commercial job site where you need heavy duty stuff all the time. Ryobi is getting the job done each and every time with all the tools that I've used. No complaints. So what I'm doing is I made lines at where I want my shelves, okay? And then I take my square, I'm all level. You don't want any crooked lines, so when you do this, okay, then when we put our board up, you go back through with the level. Watch, check it out. So, once again, we're using the Ryobi impact, and so far it's working good. Okay, and we're screwing in here. It drives really good. It drives really good. We're kind of working at night. The light is working good. Also, we're all level, as you can see right here. The bubble in the middle. But yeah, let's continue on. Okay, so as you can see, we got all this up. That's in there. That ain't going nowhere. We're using 3-inch screws, by the way, for the whole project. You're using 3-inch screws. When you're doing the studs, you're using 3-inch screws. You're going in. We got our 2x4s. You got a level. And you got your Ryobi impact driver, impact drill, whatever you want to call it, right? Okay. So far, still doing good. And believe it or not, I've used it to fix some of the other stuff in my house. And no complaints. So anyway, we're going to continue on with the shelving system and check in. Let's get it going. I want you to hit that subscribe, like, and share button, okay? Or else. Okay, so the next step, what I'm doing here is I got these little braces here that go on. They go on like this, right? Okay. 2x4 goes in there. You screw it in. Okay, you understand that? And the cool thing is, these are very strong. Let me tell you something, I am not messing around. My wife's shoes are very heavy, so I need these braces to be very strong too. It was very helpful because it came with, this is another part of the impact drill. Push that up, shoots out. Not all the time. But that's the difference between a drill, you know, of putting your attachments in. Push it up, comes in, locks in there, and ain't going anywhere. Okay,
this type of attachment goes in like that. And we're ready to begin. Let's get started. So, what I also like about Ryobi products is the fact that you can take the battery out and you can put it in to another one of their products very easy. And I have another video on this right here, the Sawzall, the reciprocating saw, and I highly suggest you check it out. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. But right now I don't need this stuff, so let's get rid of it. I'm not going to drag my skill saw up here or anything. So let's get to it. Very easy. Like I said, please subscribe, like, share. What I did not think is the width of this. As you can see right here, it's short. I need an extra 6 inches. And sometimes in life, 6 inches is all you need. That would have got the job done. And now I gotta think of something. But that's the good thing about construction, is that you can just build it. I'm making this way too complicated. All I'm gonna do is just get some sheets of plywood, rip them, slide the plywood in. You know, you don't even need the, yeah, you know, a little bummed out, but that's all right. I gotta get this fixed. I'm going to Hawaii in a few days. I'm a little stressed out, and I need to get better. Sucks being sick. Anyway, Ryobi, it did get the job done. I just didn't follow through with my plans. Anyway, stay tuned, and pretty soon I'll give you an update video of the finished product, and you will like it.